we're at one of our farms down here. It's rented ground, and we're going to be putting this field into corn and rotating this field into alfalfa, and there's 2 more on the other side there. So we got 5 dump truck loads of chicken manure brought in, and we're going to spread it out. We got this Manure VMAX spreader, skid steer over. We'll load her up. We brought it in today. The chicken manure yesterday and today. We're working on it. So it's a layer manure, and there's a pretty good pile here of it. So we're going to go ahead and get that spread out and put it on at about a rate of 2 tons to the acre. So this is the project for the day. It's dried out. It's calling for rain tonight, so we're going to try to get this done. This is our fertilizer for here. The chicken, these are layer chickens, so they have a lot more calcium in the manure, which makes it a lot better field, so a lot better fertilizer for the field, and it's going to be good stuff for us. So we got it loaded, and I forgot to mention, this is organic manure. We have a chicken operation real close here, about 5 miles away. They have organic layer chickens, so we don't have to worry about any of that. But, so we got her loaded up, skid steer, 1 load out of that pile, so it's going to be maybe 15 loads, I would guess, something like that. So we drive about as maybe 11 miles an hour when we're spreading, and we open it up. That way there's less pressure on the spreader, and we spread it as wide as we can. This chicken manure is pretty strong stuff. You can smell it. It'll stick with you for a few days here, probably. Alright, so we got the pile cleaned up, and we got the last little bit on the spreader there. You can see kind of how we spread it out. Cover this field here, and we got this 25 acres covered today. Started at about must have been 1 o'clock, and it's about 4 o'clock now, so 3 hours, I guess. Spread 5 dump truck loads of chicken manure. So we're spreading manure down here. We got this chicken manure, we got her loaded down. We found a soft spot, and we buried this big old spreader. So I thought we'd get smart and get a chain, hook onto the front of it, try to pull it out, but instead of spinning down here, we're spinning up there. So I guess we've made a mess here, but she is buried. It's bottomed out, buried. It's got a lot of weight on it with all that chicken manure. It's about half loaded now. So the next step is we got a buddy with an excavator. He's gonna try to dig a path out, and it's got tracks on it. I think we get a big old chain and try to pull it out with that. But anyway, I guess you're not supposed to spread on ground that's soft, I guess. Lesson learned. It's dried out quite a bit, but not enough apparently. So I guess that'll be our next project. Get the excavator down here and get a chain on it and try to get it pulled out.
We got a dilemma here. We got our manure spreader out caught in some mud, and we're out here trying to get it out. A huge tractor from the guy we know, and we're trying to get it out. Got it! there you got it.